Good morning, family, and happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, and I was just cleaning the yard. How's everyone doing? First of all, I hope that you are all doing well. Today is a beautiful sunny, it's chilly out. It's a beautiful sunny day. And I was just cleaning the yard, but I wanted to show you guys something. If you guys have watched my channel in the past, you know that never fails. Every time that I start cleaning the yard, I always find something very old or like antique-ish or something like that. Let me show you what I found this time. Stuck within the rocks. How old do you think this shoe is? I'd say 1940 or 50s or something like that. I'm gonna look it up. That's pretty amazing. Amongst all the other things that I found, this is pretty amazing. I'm going to go look into it, but I haven't seen this type of shoe, I don't think, ever. The heel is like coming off. This is what the bottom looks like, and it's I can't even tell the size anymore. No, I think it had the size underneath, but I can't tell. Isn't that cool? Welcome back, my beautiful family. How is everyone doing? The clip that you just saw was last Sunday. So today is Sunday, the 26th, April 26th. It's been a little bit. It's been a little busy here. I have a couple of things going on, but I wanted to share with you guys a Bath & Body Works haul. Actually, I made a purchase, I think it was last month. So this small little haul took 4 to 5 weeks to finally get here. So let me share with you. And you know, I always use my coupons. I didn't pay full price, and the candles are actually at full price right now. So your girl was not about that. I'm not about that lifestyle. So I bought 2 small candles and then my my plug-in. So let me show you what I purchased. Okay, so here's my haul. Let's quickly start with the candles. So I bought the 1 wick, and this is in black tie. And I bought the, what is it, vanilla and patchouli. I really like this one. I like both of them, actually. This one is really strong. Black tie is really strong. It's more of a masculine scent. If you guys haven't tried, try it. And this is really nice and comforting. I really like this. Smells really sweet. So, of course, their plugins are 5 for, I think, I'm not quite sure, 20 something or something like that. No, not even. I'm not quite sure. I can list the prices down if you're interested. So the first one that I bought was the gingham, of course. Then I have the eucalyptus stress relief spearmint. The other one is cinnamon spice vanilla, and I love these for my kitchens. And of course the vanilla and patchouli one. And then this last one is bow ties and bourbon. This is a new one. I've never even smelled this one, but I'm really interested in what this smells like. So that is it. Actually, I didn't buy any soaps or anything. The next purchase that I have to do is I'm gonna definitely need some body mists. So I need some body sprays. So I'll share that with you guys when I do get it. So that's it, guys. I will see you guys in a bit. So tonight's dinner is going to consist of, it's like a fish stew. So, of course, you have, obviously, fish. And I just threw in some peppers and some spinach and some onion and garlic cloves. And then the consommé is made out of coconut milk, so you can get that consistency. There's ginger in here and stuff like that, too. So you can just, you know, throw whatever you want in a pot. But the coconut milk, I think, is the key. So I'm gonna have that over a bed of rice. So it looks like this. Doesn't that look pretty? Okay. Good night, guys. Okay, guys. So I'll give you a proper goodbye. Everyone ate. We're gonna sit down and watch some television. Today just consisted of, you know, just getting up, doing some things around the house, and yeah, like crazy, quarantine crazy. Going to the market, and just that's basically it. Weekends. Hashtag weekend life. Right. Okay. Maybe that'll be the title of this. I don't know. But that's all we did. So now I'm going to relax, and then I'll take a shower, and then, you know, wake up tomorrow to a new day. Hopefully it's sunny. It's been raining here all day. I mean, raining hard. So I will see you guys in the next one. Be safe and take care.